In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change any text in WordPress website. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor for your home template. This is where you can make global changes to the text that appears across your homepage layout. Once the editor loads, click directly on the page preview to begin. You'll notice certain areas become outlined when you hover or click. Those are editable blocks. Click on the highlighted area that contains the text you want to change. If nothing happens on the first click, click again to drill down into the exact text block. WordPress often nests blocks, so a couple of clicks helps you reach the text itself. Work your way through the highlighted sections, moving from headings to paragraphs to button labels as needed. When you've selected the correct block, click again until you see the typing cursor inside the text. Now highlight the words you want to modify and type your new text. Keep your tone consistent with the rest of the page and watch your line length so the layout stays clean. If the text you're editing includes a link, click the linked text to open the link controls. For example, if you see a reference to a video platform, select it to review or update the destination URL. Confirm that the link points where you want before continuing. With a block selected, you can also open its toolbar and choose Duplicate. This creates an exact copy right below, which is useful if you want to keep the original while testing alternate wording. After duplicating, click the new highlighted copy and edit its text the same way. Place the cursor, highlight, and type. Continue clicking through any remaining highlighted areas you plan to revise until every instance reads the way you intend. When you're finished, click Save in the top right corner. WordPress may show a confirmation panel listing what's about to be updated, template parts, patterns, or the page itself. Click Save again to confirm. Finally, choose Launch to publish your changes so they're visible on your live site. Before you move on, take a moment to skim the page in the editor to catch typos. Make sure headings are clear and scannable, and verify that your links open correctly. Small refinements here can make a big difference in readability and user experience. That's it. By navigating the site editor, clicking into the highlighted areas to select the right blocks, typing your new text, duplicating when helpful, and saving and launching, you can quickly change any text on your WordPress website with confidence.